So Zimmer and Peacock are exhibiting at the Lab on a Chip and Biosensor conference in Munich this week, and we're going to be talking about our standard sensors. We'll be putting our standard sensors into, talking about putting them into cartridges. We'll be talking about our macro electrodes, our sort of standard electrodes. We'll be talking about our flexible electrodes for wearable applications. We'll be talking about our workshop that we're doing this week. So we're doing a workshop on how to fast track medical diagnostic development. We'll also be talking about our workshop in Cambridge in October on, it's an electro-analytical course run by Cambridge University. Zimmer and Peacock are involved, and that will be about electro-analytical chemistry. So we'll be talking this week about our sensors, about fast tracking sensor development. We'll be talking about our workshop that we'll be holding in Cambridge in October, and we'll also be doing live demos. So I'm just going to do a live demo for you now. So Zimmer and Peacock has a Biosensor developers kit, which is also a educational kit. You can use it in the lab. So the two chemicals that I'm putting here are both just bought from the local local food store. There's nothing toxic about these two chemicals. So I'm just putting, I have a solvent, and then I have second chemical in there, so I've got those two mixed in together. I'll just give it a little mix on the pipette, put it onto the sensor. So we'll be doing this live demo. Like I say, it's we're using our Biosensor developers kit, which is also an educator's kit, because it's got everything you need in terms of, we're easily able to mix up two very benign materials that we got from the local food store. We've got the Anapot potentiostat. We've got our sensor in our little test rig. And I'm just gonna connect and start the software. So I've put it in a pre-program. We're doing, so what's happening now is we're scanning the voltage. We get an initial wave. Then we get, well, there's the wave. We'll come back. We'll get a reduction wave, and then when we come back, we'll get a new wave. So all these peaks are understood by us. We understand the mechanism behind it, but we're just demonstrating how you can just walk up onto a system like this, grab some quick data, and you've got yourself, you know, a lab practical, or you're on your way to developing your own sensor. Okay, so in summary, we're here this week at the Biosensor and Lab on a Chip conference. We're talking about our standard sensors. We're talking about our Biosensor developers kit, which also, when we use it in combination with these two non-toxic chemicals, we can actually turn it into an educational course or an educational practical. Okay, thanks very much. And if you need to contact us, then Zimmer and Peacock. Thanks very much.